Good afternoon, y'all. I'm about to make a cream cheese pound cake. Now, I know I filmed this before way over a year ago, and it was very noisy. It was before I had my new cell phone camera, and I had the beater going the whole time, so it was very hard to hear me and understand what I was saying. So I am doing it again so that you can see and hopefully watch to the end. It was probably hard to watch that other one all the way to the end. So I wanted to tell you what I'm doing. The first thing you need to do once you decide you're going to make this cake is go ahead and get your cream cheese and your butter out and let it come to room temperature. Unless you've got a softening cycle on your microwave, which a lot of people do. But anyhow, I use an 8 ounce of cream cheese and 3 sticks of butter. So, like 3/4 of this package here. So I've got those already in the mixer here. They're already soft. So I'm just gonna mix them up. And once they're mixed up really good and get fluffy, I'm going to start pouring in 3 cups of sugar. So I will get back with you after I get that going and let you see how it looks. Okay, I'm back and I want you to see, let me bring you over here so you can see. Look how light and fluffy that is. That's just nothing but the butter, the cream cheese, and 3 cups of sugar, and it just whipped up really good. So now I'm going to add 3 cups of cake flour, and it makes a difference. You have to use the cake flour, not just regular flour, but I use the Swan's Down cake flour, and you use 3 cups of that, and then you're going to alternate that as you're putting it in your mixer. You're going to alternate it along with 6 eggs, which I've already broken and got in this container. So I'll just pour one at a time in and let that mix up really well. And then I'll get back with y'all. Okay, I've got all that in there. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon flavoring and a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Y'all, that's it. That's all that goes in this cake. Now I will prepare my Bundt pan and then put the batter in it, and I will get right back with you. Okay, y'all, I just put it in the pan and stuck it in the oven. It's gonna bake for about 1.5 hours on 300 degrees. So I'll get back with you as soon as I take it out. Okay, y'all, I just took the cake out of the oven and it's been cooling. So now I'm going to dump it out over onto the plate that I'll be taking it in. So I'll get back with you just as soon as I get that turned over. All right, y'all, I've dumped it out and here it is. It looks so pretty. Of course, the best part is going to be down here up under the bottom, because that was the crust that was on the top. You can see how it's starting to crack all around like that. That's this part that's so good if you pull that off and eat it. Anyhow, I'm not going to cut it because I'm going to be taking it to my friend tomorrow morning. So, but I'm telling you what, my house sure does smell wonderful. Anyhow, I will talk with y'all later. Have a blessed day.